A new study shows that we should be mandating nurse-to-patient ratios in Ontario. Across the entire country, nurse-to-patient ratios are the worst in Ontario. And healthcare is only getting worse and worse as the Ford government continues to cut spending in healthcare, with Ontario now having the lowest per capita healthcare spending in the country. We spend less than any other province per person on healthcare. And if we had a nurse-to-patient ratio, it would save lives and millions of dollars a year. And it would also improve patient care and stop nurses from fleeing the profession. And this isn't some newfangled thing. California did it 20 years ago. It's also been done in some parts of Australia as well as BC, and Nova Scotia is currently doing it, and Manitoba is looking into it as well. Implementing this ratio will mean a lower amount of patient deaths, a shorter stay in hospital, and fewer hospital-acquired infections, as well as a drop in hospital readmittance rates and millions of dollars in savings per year. Nurses are exhausted, they are worn out, and we keep asking them to do more and more while paying them less and less and giving them less and less resources to work with. And when the government was asked about the report, they basically laughed and ignored it. Because at the end of the day, Doug Ford and his government, they don't care about you, they don't care about your healthcare, they don't care about the quality of your healthcare experience, and they don't care about nurses, and they don't care about whether or not nurses can actually do their job appropriately. Because do you think a guy like Doug Ford is going to get the same healthcare experience that you are? If he gets cancer, he is not going to be experiencing what you experience. If he ends up in the ICU, he is not going to be experiencing what you experience, which is why he doesn't care about the average person. He doesn't care about your healthcare experience. If it was up to Doug Ford, we would have private healthcare. You want to know how we know this? Because he has literally talked about it in the past. He has talked about how great two-tier systems are. The guy is a Republican, literally calls himself a Republican, has literally stated that he wants us to be more like the US, which is why he continuously defunds healthcare, because eventually it will collapse, and sooner or later we will have no choice but to privatize. And that's why Doug Ford can't govern, because he is acting out of malice.